Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'd like to show you around a car that's just arrived with us, just come into our stock, and this is a very nice, very low mileage SEAT Arona SE technology. Now this vehicle has just had some new tyres fitted, and if I come in close you can see these lovely alloy wheels, and in behind there are some new front brakes as well. So that's one less thing you need to do when you're getting a used car. Now this short video will show you some of the highlights that the car has to offer, as well as how great the condition this car is. Now this particular car has only covered 28,800 miles, and being a 2021 car, that's in 4 years, so very low annual mileage, and hopefully this short video shows you how nice the car's condition is as well. Now the Arona has now become our most popular selling model, so it gives you a bit of both really. It gives you seating for 5 but without having a huge footprint. So rear parking sensors are a standard feature, as well as this quite neat height adjustable boot floor. So as it stands, it's in a level access, and if I pull the boot floor back and drop it down, it just gains you a small lip in the boot and an extra couple of inches of depth. So certainly helpful when you're carrying cases, boxes, that sort of thing. Now all of the Aronas have Isofix fitments for the rear 2 seats. So you've got 2 Isofix fitments as well as a central third belt. And then when you come up to the front, so the first thing that strikes you is the lovely big built-in media screen. So that's where your parking sensors will show up, and that's also where you can control a lot of the car's media. So air conditioning standard, and then we come across to this big navigation screen. It's all touch screen, so you can change the view. You've got multiple different views that you can adopt from here, and you can go in and personalize and adjust various different settings. Cruise control is a standard feature, as well as a digital radio, and that also gives you the ability to connect your mobile phone for telephone calls as well as audio streaming. For the Android users, we have Android Auto, or for the Apple users, we also have Apple CarPlay. So got most angles covered there. So the cruise is on the left hand side. You've got the display of the rev counter and your speedo, and a multi-function steering wheel. Adjustable wing mirrors, electric windows front and rear, as well as a pre-collision sensor. So if you do get a bit too close to the car in front, the car will actually warn you. Now this is in great condition, so if you're looking for an Arona, this is priced at $12,495, then please get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks very much. Bye for now.